Few investors believe that trading in certain stocks can be unethical or immoral. But before that, we'd like to know if you believe in having a moral compass while investing, or do you just invest to have higher returns? At this point, you must be wondering, what does moral compass have to do with investing? So, hello everyone, I'm Sulekha, and today we're going to talk about a very interesting topic, that is sin stocks. Sin stocks refer to the shares of the companies that are considered illegal, unethical, and loathsome. The companies are dealing in activities such as tobacco, liquor, or even gambling. Ethical investors tend to exclude sin stocks because they believe the companies are making money from exploiting human weaknesses. But do you think the definition of sin is same for everyone? Not really. It differs from person to person. For example, peace activists might consider arms manufacturing company stocks as a sin stock, whereas vegetarians may consider animal products a sin stock. Then comes the vegan who may consider dairy products as a sin. So the definition of sin is different for every person. Now that we have understood what sin stocks are, let's look at some of the sin stocks in India and how they are different from other stocks. There are few sectors that are considered a sin by a large group of investors. They are gambling, liquor, and tobacco. And all these sectors have various companies listed in the stock exchange. So let's look at the sin stock companies. Firstly, talking about the listed tobacco stocks. They are ITC, VST, NTC Industries, the Indian Woods, etc. Then comes few liquor stocks. They are United Spirits, United Breweries, and GM Breweries. And now coming to gambling stock, the one company that is listed is Delta Corp. While we're talking about the listed stocks, have you heard of the Dhan trading app? Founded by the former CEO of Paytm and ex-CEO of Moneylicious Securities. Dhan is a lightning fast app built and designed for super traders and investors. The startup is trusted and backed by big names such as Zomato, Cred, Flipkart, and Shadi.com. Beside investing and trading, you can also set up your daily SIPs on equity and ETFs. And don't worry about missing the market hours because you can trade even after the market hours in 4 different time slabs. The app also gives you the ability to add up to 1,000 stocks to your watch list. Yes, 1,000, 4 zeros across 10 different watch lists. And for the trader in you, Dhan has tied up with TradingView, which has over 100 technical indicators and unlimited price alerts. Every IPO is just one tap away with Dhan, your one-stop shop for all your trading and investment requirements. For more information on this trading app, you can check out our description box below. And to open a demat or trading account with Dhan app, you can use our link given in the description box below. Now speaking about how sin stocks are different from other stocks, or should I say socially responsible stocks. The only difference is that of belief and moral compass. But this slight difference creates a huge impact in the stock market, as socially responsible stocks are highly in number as compared to sin stocks. Interestingly, socially responsible stocks hugely invest in technology, financial centers, and healthcare. But while talking about socially responsible stocks, we need to consider the personal belief aspect of this market. So this clearly paints a picture that if we have both kinds of stock in our portfolio will be better and we can benefit from both scenarios. Sin stocks are not actually outlawed, but they still face the threat of taxes, which the socially responsible stocks do not. There are many political and economic reasons behind these taxes. Politically, many conservatives are against taxes, but they still vote for taxes on these sin stocks because they want to discourage people from using them. And this tax system is also put in place so that people consume it lesser, because if the taxes are higher, the prices of the products will also be higher, right? Even after all these challenges, do you think sin stocks can perform better than other stocks in the stock market? Sin stocks are actually believed to outperform in the market because they have higher barriers to entry, then they are highly addictive, and the regulations make it so difficult, and that's why there are lesser competitions in the market. So, the tobacco, the arms industry, the sex industry, the cannabis industry, and the gambling industry can safely be labeled as sin stocks. Investing in sin stocks may be disagreeable by multiple investors, but we cannot deny the fact that they are sound investments. Actually, the very nature of their business is to have steady customers. So when talking about the demand for the sin products, it's really high. But when we talk about sin stocks, the demand is very low. So the share price of these disregarded companies are quite low, but also have greater risk to them. This is a solid case of buying low and selling high, and it has always been observed that since stocks give a higher dividend, which results in higher income for the investors. To sum it all up, if you are looking to make a solid investment, keeping moral convictions aside, a diversified portfolio of saints and sinners will be a better option for you. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel.